We're on the Infinity today out of Argentina. And this is room 7012. That's a view of the ocean, of course. So to the left, we have the closet. A little dark. There we go. And looks like there's the safe, drawers. Then over to your right, their bathroom. Actual full shower is kind of nice. Pretty decent size, really. It's a lot bigger than Royal's interior cabin. Got the king size bed. This holds a third person. That chair folds out into a bed. Pretty tight squeeze through here. And then the TV. I have a handy drawer and a fridge full of snacks. I'm assuming they're gonna charge if you eat anything out of it, but it prevents anybody from putting your own drinks in there, so I don't know, I'm gonna have to ask him about that. Probably the same with the Evian. I doubt it's included. No. Yeah. It's a charge. Yeah, these are what's in there. Pringles, $4. Oh, the water's not on there. And then, so that's the bed. And this is Argentina. Pretty nice city view without all this crap on the window. Pretty rough shape. But, that's it. I'd say the bathroom's a plus. This trip I tried to do the celebrity move up. That's like Royal up. And they didn't accept any of my offers. We tried to get a family room suite thing, and they didn't accept any of my offers. I guess it was too cheap. So that's that. This was pretty decent, I guess. I don't know, not too bad. So there's lots of little storage cubbies. What is that? I can't even see that. Oh, somebody's hat. Oh, look at that hat. All right, till next time. I think next time, we don't have one in February. We have one in March booked on the Wonder again. Not sure if we're gonna get on that though. Not sure when my next one is. I have a few more booked, but not too many this year. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much.